Hello friends, today I want to show you how to use the Restyle feature on Instagram. First open up the Instagram app, then you have to simply tap on the plus. Now you have to simply capture a specific photo. So like I want to capture this one. And now here at the left side you notice that there's a Restyle option. So this is basically a meta AI related option which allows you to remove any part or add some changes to your photo. So I want to just tap on plus, and here I want to write something like, so here you notice that I have write some statement. So here I want to just change the keyboard letters into emoji, and now if I tap on next, so you notice that it will be change my photo. So this is basically a restyle feature which allows you to add some new changes in your photos. So as you notice that I have successfully added the emojis on keyboard letters, so you can easily customize your photo according to your choice, so you can easily restyle it. So this is the feature which only available on a latest Instagram update. So if you want to get the restyle feature, you have to simply first update your Instagram app. So after that you can easily use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.